Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum, and this is Khaja. Welcome to a new video on Learn English by Banglish. আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমরা দেখব how to learn English by Banglish. Banglish কি আসলে একটি ভালো মেথড ইংরেজি শেখার জন্য? এই ভিডিওতে সেটি আপনারা জানতে পারবেন. Many people actually criticize when we do speak in Banglish. আমরা যখন বাংলা ইংরেজি মিশিয়ে কথা বলি, there are so many people are waiting to criticize. অনেক মানুষ আছে সেটি সমালোচনা করে. আসলে কি এটি সমালোচনা করার মতো? আসলে এটি সমালোচনা করার মতো নয়, বিকজ ইট ইজ এ গ্রেট টুল টু ইমপ্রুভ ইউর ইংলিশ. এটি হচ্ছে এমন একটা উপায় বাংলিশ যেটি আপনার ইংরেজি চলার পথকে সহজ করে দেয়. হাউ সেটা আমরা বলছি. সাপোজ অ্যাট দ্য স্টার্টিং লেভেল when you do learn spoken English, can you speak continuously? Can you speak instantly for a long time? In most of the cases the answer is no. বেশিরভাগ ক্ষেত্রে যখন আমরা ইংরেজি শিখি we cannot speak English continuously for a long time. After speaking 2 or 3 lines then you start. So what to do on that time? সেটাই হচ্ছে বাংলিশের ম্যাজিক, এবং বাংলিশে আপনাকে ইংরেজি শেখাতে পথ দেখাবে, এবং যারা ইংরেজি বলে এবং যারা দীর্ঘদিন সেটা সাস্টেইন করে. One of the challenges of learning spoken English that after certain period you'll forget if you don't practice continuously. But it is very challenging to practice continuously. কেন? আপনার চারপাশে there are not so many people who can communicate with you in English. আপনার চারপাশে অনেক বেশি মানুষ হয়তো পাবেন না যারা ইংরেজিতে কমিউনিকেট করতে পারে. But what you have to do in that environment, in that situation, আপনাকে তো আপনার ইংরেজিটা চালিয়ে যেতে হবে. যেটা হয় যে এনভায়রনমেন্টের কারণে অনেক ইংরেজিটা ছেড়ে দেয় পরে. যখন ইংরেজিটা ছেড়ে দেয় আবার সে ভুলে যায়, he returns to back to the pavilion. তাহলে এর উপায়টা কি? এটার থেকে বাঁচার জন্য এখন পর্যন্ত সবচেয়ে শক্তিশালী অস্ত্র হচ্ছে এই মিক্স মেথড বাংলিশ. যেমন হিন্দিতে দেখেন তারা এই কাজটা করে. ওখানে আছে কি লার্ন ইংলিশ থ্রু হিন্দি. আপনি হিন্দিতে কথা বলতেছেন, না প্রবলেম, and you are speaking English, certainly you have forgotten some words, so you continue the conversation with 1 or 2 words in Hindi. আপনারা টিভিতে দেখবেন প্রায় সময় অনেক বড় বড় মানুষ, celebrities, they are trying to speak in English, sometimes they forgot. So what they normally do, they mix it up. I mean, বলছে একসময় আসলে I was in severe trouble on that time. আসলে আমার একবেলা ভাত খাওয়ারও পয়সা ছিল না. I couldn't take a single meal with my own money. এই যে পরের লাইনটা সে হতো তার তাৎক্ষণিক মনে আসতেছে না, কিন্তু কাজ চালিয়ে যাচ্ছে. When do you speak English? Please allow Banglish and you speak by that. Like you are going to talk about plan. আপনি প্ল্যান সম্পর্কে, it's a topic you want to speak something on plan. So what is plan? Plan is a way to complete your task from starting to end level. Okay, that's good. And plan has 3 essential components. One is target, time, and money. Suppose you want to learn spoken English and you want to make a plan for a spoken English. So how can you do that? You can make a target. You have to set a target, like you want to learn English by 6 months, by 1 year, by 2 years. How much time will you take and on what level you will reach? Suppose you have to set your level. I mean, target taki. You want to learn beginning level English, intermediate level, advanced level, fluent level. Which level you want to learn and how much time you will take for that. That is called plan actually. আপনার কতটা সময় লাগবে, আপনি হয়তো টার্গেট করলেন যে within 12 months I'll reach to intermediate level. That is your plan. So in many cases, like learning English, we cannot reach our target. You know what are the reasons? One of the major reasons is that we don't set our time. আমরা বলি যে হ্যাঁ ইংরেজি আমাকে ভালো করে শিখতে হবে, আমি একটু ভালো ইংরেজি বলতে চাই, বাট দিস ইজ আর ভেগ টক্স. এগুলো অস্পষ্ট. দ্যাটস ওয়াই সো মেনি পিপল ক্যানট লার্ন স্পোকেন ইংলিশ, বিকজ দে আর নট ক্লিয়ার অ্যাবাউট দেয়ার প্ল্যান. আসলে সে কী চায়? সে চায় যে অমুকের মতো আমি ইংরেজি বলতে চাই. এখন অমুক হয়তো অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলে বলছে, ফ্লুয়েন্ট লেভেলে বলছে, ইন্টারমিডিয়েট লেভেলে বলছে. তার যেহেতু কত বছর লাগছে, হাউ মেনি ইয়ার্স হি অর শি হ্যাজ টেকেন, উই ডোন্ট নো দ্যাট, বাট উই আর থিঙ্কিং দ্যাট উই ক্যান রিচ টু her level or we can speak like her within a short period of time. Why this is happening? This is happening due to not having any plan. So plan can help you to learn spoken English. You make a plan that you will reach to that next level. I mean, you may be in intermediate level, so set your target to go for advanced level target, and how much time you can take, you go for assessment. আপনার অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলে যাইতে গেলে ধরা যাক you need 10,000 vocabs, standard level vocabs, high quality vocabs, how much you know, and you have to have command over grammar, very sound command over grammar. You have to have very good knowledge. You have to have skill in application of grammatical rules. So if you know the grammatical rules very well, then you can set a target to reach to advanced level within short period of time. But if you are poor, if you don't have a grammatical knowledge well, you make so many mistakes in grammar, then you have to take long time. So setting time is also a matter of analysis, and that needs actually an assessment. আপনার একটা অ্যাসেসমেন্ট দরকার যে আপনার বর্তমান অবস্থা কোথায়, সেখান থেকে আপনার যেতে কত সময় লাগবে। One of the key challenges of learning spoken English to keep your fluency. আপনি যে লেভেলে শেখেন, like you have learned beginning level or intermediate or advanced fluent level, whatever, like you have learned beginning level. What happens actually after 5, 6 or 7 months? You forget sometimes because you don't have that environment to continue your conversation. And if you don't continue your conversation, certainly it is 100% sure that you will back to your pavilion. I mean, you'll forget your fluency, you'll lose your fluency, you'll forget your English level. So, Banglish is there. You'll find so many people who are good at English. They are speaking always in mixed method. I mean, they are not speaking completely in Hindi or Bangla. Why? Because they want to keep their fluency running. If you don't practice your English within Bangla or within Hindi, you may lose your fluency. If you don't continue your conversation in English, at least the words in your head, the word stock are sleeping in your head, don't let them sleep. অর্থাৎ শব্দগুলোকে আপনি ঘুমাতে দিবেন না, you have to utilize those. Otherwise, if they sleep for time, they will sleep forever, maybe. আপনি তাদের কিছু সময়ের জন্য শুতে দিলে, ঘুমাতে দিলে, মানে সেগুলোকে ব্যবহার না করলে, they will sleep forever, and definitely that will hamper your progress. So, one of the major challenges of learning English or spoken English, that is keeping your level. I mean, sustaining level. You cannot sustain your level if you continue. But in our country, it is very challenging. If you're not in native countries, then it is very challenging to continue. So what is the solution? আপনি আপনার ইংরেজিকে জাগ্রত রাখবেন কিভাবে, সতেজ রাখবেন কিভাবে? That is by mixing. Like if you speak continuously in English, sometimes other people may not communicate with you. But if you mix, they'll communicate with you and they'll give you extra value, and that will increase your personal brand actually. It is not that only speaking English will increase your brand value. If you can speak English in Banglish, well, that will also increase your brand value. In this video, I'm talking about a great solution. It's a great solution. Banglish is a great solution to take you to next level. আপনি যখন অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলে যেতে চান, it can take time. So what you have to do, you have to continue, keep up your fluency. How can you keep up your fluency? It's not possible all the time to speak in English at your home, at everywhere, with your colleagues, with your friends. But what can you do everywhere? বাংলিশটা যেটা সবচেয়ে সুবিধা, এটাকে আপনি সব জায়গায় ব্যবহার করতে পারবেন. People will not mind. When you make a plan for your spoken English, keep that in your mind. At certain level, you have to go for Banglish. I mean, how Banglish will help you to reach to your next level by keeping your fluency. আপনাকে ইংরেজির সাথে কানেক্টেড রাখবে. One of the greatest benefits of speaking in Banglish, that is, it is keeping or it is connecting you with English continuously, uninterruptedly. এই যে বললাম uninterruptedly, it's communicating you, it keeping connecting you with English. That is very urgent for learning spoken English. So আপনি যদি ভালো ইংরেজি বলতে চান, কন্টিনিউয়াসলি বলতে চান, go for Banglish. যখন আপনি ইংরেজি শিখছেন তখন মনে হচ্ছে you can continue for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, you cannot continue for 7 minutes or 8 minutes or continuously. What can you do? Even after that, you continue speaking English with mixing Bangla. Okay, আপনি 5 মিনিট বলতে পারেন, তারপর আপনি বলতে পারছেন না. Even after that, you don't go for complete Bangla. আপনি ট্রাই করেন 6 মিনিট, 7 মিনিট, 8 মিনিট ইংরেজি বলার জন্য, এবং within that time, if you want to mix some Bangla words, do that without any hesitation. There are so many people I told earlier will criticize. Don't bother for them. they are loser. They are absolutely loser who are criticizer. We always say criticizer absolutely is a loser. সুতরাং সেই লুজারের কথা কান দেওয়ার দরকার নাই. You will be with your mission. You will be with your plan to improve your English, and Banglish will help you to reach to you to your next level. তাহলে এই ভিডিওতে আমি কি করেছি? What have I done in this video? I have done the same thing. I have spoken actually in Banglish method because I am to show you how Banglish can help you to improve your English, and I have improved within the last few years in speaking by applying this Banglish, because I don't have so many people. Yes, I have few people with whom I can continue speaking English and communicate in English 100%. I have set a target. After reaching to that level, okay, I can speak completely English, I can speak completely Bangla, but before reaching to my level, until I turn it into my habit, when it will turn into my habit, there is no problem. You don't have to mix up. But until you turn spoken English into a habit, go for mixed method, and mixed method will help you to turn speaking English as a habit. Habit হলে যেটা হয় আর চিন্তা করতে হয় না, that will come automatically. So after you reach to automatic level of speaking English, use Banglish. It's one of the greatest technique, greatest ways. Don't bother for others. Don't allow any criticize. The criticizer is a loser. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again. I want you great success in spoken English like me. I have achieved my target. I have set my target. I have run after my target, including this Banglish method. Now I can speak English or subtitles. It is almost have turned into my habit, and I don't have any problem, any challenge to speak continuously in English in front of any audience, because I've increased my vocabulary stock 20 to 25,000 within these years. You can do it. It's very simple, but within the time, within the process, Banglish will help you. Thank you so much again. See you again.